We're in the city of AKKO. AKKO. ACCO in English.
Hola, my friend. I'm Madrid.
There's pomegranate juice over there for 25 shekels. If you want pomegranate juice for 25 shekels, I think that's a little expensive, by the way.
I can do 10.
Now here's the mosque of AKKO.
Al Jazar.
El Jazar was the name of the ruler. El Jazar means the butcher, was his nickname.
Teeny fabricator.
Cut pieces off of his people who served him. Shalom, good morning, sister.
Good morning, everybody. Welcome. If you like any something holy, the holy fruit in Israel, the
Holy fruit of Israel.
something very
This looks like some of the yard sales we get in Arizona.
We're over here, it's not like Arizona. Over here, it's made in China.
Don't let them forget you. There's a lot of stuff in Arizona made in China too. So just like there is Texas.
Okay.
Okay. Oh, here's the backyard view.
Yeah, this is the back.
Back up here. Not following your house. Not following your house. You're not. Later. Later.
Okay, it's always good to see cars parked. That means they made it here somewhere. Take another right, and then we make our way into the bazaar. We take another right. Want to buy some chicken and lamb in there.
Licking chicken, Ho Chi Minh.
Hello, hi guys. Ciao, welcome.
Shawarma. 30 shekels for a shawarma.
30?
Yeah.
Regroup here, make sure I have 16 Americans behind
So
me.
$7.50. We had shawarmas for $7.50, 30 shekels. See, right there, shawarma, second one down.
Is that a good price?
Yeah. We're going up that one.
Yeah, we're going that way. מבחינת הזמן. Enjoy your neutral, says the boat captain. Enjoy the land. This would have been the main entrance back in the day, but yeah, it's under renovation. This would have been like a hotel, like the guy said at the bathhouse, 5-star hotel. For the merchants that would come here, and everything that goes on in 5-star hotels goes on here. So we gotta go now. We're gonna make our way back to the bus. We'll be going through that same bazaar. I don't mind stopping for coffee at the end, but I mean, you guys, it's your tour. You guys decide. We're gonna meet this cool couple I heard so much about. What are their names?
Rudy and Sohail.
We're gonna meet Rudy and Sohail. They are expecting us, and we are a bit late, so I'd
We can just
recommend to go straight to the bus. Well, let me take a picture of this guy who's fishing up there.
That's where you go to check your signage to see if they're working.
Yeah, I think mine are working.
All working hard.
شو صادق
Fishmonger.
Gotta have a good catch.
Crab Louie. Actually, it's slippery.
Yeah, be careful, guys. When these stones become wet like they are now, they're very dangerous. Please watch your step.